wena ngesingawe, do you think ukuthi VAR la South Africa we are ready for it, or do we really need it? Or nje la isisebenze khona, do you think isikwenzile mhlawumbe okungcono ingathembekani, since kuyinto econtrolwa abantu? It's not something that we can say it's impartial. It's something that can also be compromised. Yabo.
Maya mfowethu ngibonge mfowethu ukuthi unginike lo mbuzo onginika wona, but ukukhuluma iqiniso mfowethu, iVAR iyinto enhle. iVAR iyinto enhle. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi kuprovekile ukuthi iVAR ayikho 100%. Kunama calls where kweminye imidlalo ububona ukuthi angisazi kwakimidlalo yo-England angicabanga ku-World Cup or kuphi kodwa bekukhona lawo ma-calls la ubona khona ukuthi i-VAR can still be interfered with, akukhona ukuthi iwumnqamula juqu mhlawumbe njenge-AI, uyabona, nayo icontrolwa ngabantu. So-ke ukuphendula umbuzo wakho nje mfowethu, ku-PSL I don't think ukuthi i-VAR into esiyidingayo njengamanje. Kusekuningi okusafanele sikulungise, especially ngapha esayidini labo ref, ngoba baningi abantu abangaunderstand nanokuthi o-referee akubona be-PSL, o-referee abakwaSAFA, abeSAFA. So iSAFA-ke iseney'ngqinamba ey'ningi kangangokuthi umuntu owu-referee manje kusenze ukuthi umuntu ushayele ibhasi, yabona, phakathi neviki, nge-weekend ahambe ayo-refera professional. So ngicabanga ukuthi mina singakabi kusafanele nje kuyoqala phansi ukuthi kulungise indaba yo-referee, umuntu owu-referee abe u-referee, yabona, kuphela. So sisafuna ukuthi sithathe lelo gxathu, ngibona ngathi igxathu le-VAR mfowethu igxathu elingaphezulu kakhulu kwethu, and it's costly, it's very costly. So as much as-ke ngiyithemba i-PSL nebhodi la ekuthenini they've been fundraising well in the past 30 years. So uma sekufika isikhathi sayi-VAR ngicabanga ukuthi ifike futhi yenze, kodwa kwamanje mfowethu ngicabanga ukuthi hayi amatomu ake sithi ukwehlisa mfowethu, ngathi sincama kakhulu, and angazi ukuthi le-interest ya-VAR ivelaphi, ngoba mase ngena nosopolitiki siyosithi kanti khona umuntu osefuna ithenda. Manje funa sikuqaphele kakhulu lokho mfowethu.
Lelokho nje lelilukuluku le-VAR, I think we are trying to fit in. We don't want to be left behind. We see Europe, we see Irokungan, Asia, we see America. They are already in VAR. So of course, not Africa, we always want to fit in. We don't want to be left behind. We feel like we're being left behind. We feel like we are missing out. So now it's for VAR. Meanwhile, we need to promote EPSL. We need to improve and invest money kuma games with PSL. I gotta be there. Yeah, but akumnandi ukubuka iPirates is sold out, Chiefs almost sold out, Sundowns few fans, AmaZulu versus Arrows. Uzwa abadlali bememezana nje ngazathi kuyi-training. I think there is a lot that ilokungana iPSL and SAFA need to do. PSL must do a lot elokunganeni improving ngathi funding ukuze ama-team ezokwazi ukuthi amobilize ama-fans, ezokwazi ukuthi akhokhele abantu abazokwazi ukumarket ama-brand wawo, so that i-fan base izothi ukukhuphuka, i-interest izothi ukukhuphuka. Yes, we are getting there. You can see now ukuthi ama-games ilungana, conversations even around ama-games, not only about Pirates and Chiefs, around Arrows. They are doing everything they can, Bono, Arrows, AmaZulu, to promote, to create conversation around them. But they need funding. I think we need to inject those funds rather than a VAR, because if VAR, mina sengiyibuke kaningi, there are a lot of questionable decisions, and it is painful mangabe sekuzofika into ekuthiwa izonsolvele inkinga ye-technology, and then all of a sudden mawuthi uyabuka, how no, that decision, I'm not happy. But yeah, that's my opinion. I still feel it is like kumele sithi ukuthi ukunikeza ama-team amancane funding let's give them a chance to create fan base and have an entertaining league.
Yeah, mfowethu, well said mfowethu, nami ngilapho mfowethu, kuningi okusafanele sikulungise la ku-PSL nakuma teams wethu, rather than to go for a costly VAR, of which leyo VAR awungitshele nje if i-VAR izoya kwi-game phakathi kweMarumo Gallants nePolokwane City, where even the ticket sales ezoba less than 5,000, and then uyofaka i-VAR that can cost maybe 2 million we-operator in that one game, and then you ask yourself ukuthi where are we going with that? Where are we gonna get the funds and the profit? So it's a problem for me. Kuningi okusafanele sikwenze sikulungise elokhunjini, ya kuningi okusafanele sikwenze sikulungise ebholeni lethu, njengoba usho nje ukuthi ama-team kusafanele enze imali kangcono, ungabe bikho ne-team even engenaso sponsor ku-PSL, then ugijimela ama-VAR where kuzothi mase kufanele futhi kukhuphuka ama-funds, ama-grants, sekuyakhala kuthiwa imali eningi yaku-VAR, then we are in a problem. So nje kunzima mfowethu, ngoba even amanye ama-games mhlambe uMr Gated Mackenzie enye into engakhala ngayo mina, we are only seeing Chiefs, Pirates and Sundowns ku-TV. Why don't we inject that money to televise more games? Yabona nje mina ngihlala la eMbombela, I wanna have ama-conversations with Kruger United fans, TS Galaxy fans, so is AmaZulu and the whole 5 teams that are there in KZN. But it's hard because those teams you'll only see them when they are playing against the big teams, of which is unfair. I think that's a main point that we should be discussing the VAR. That's my opinion.
Ya ngiyacabanga lapho ila kungenelela khona nolokhunja no SuperSport ukuthi banikeze ilokungani bethu expand ama channel, but nabo I think babuke revenue ukuthi elokhunja lawo ma game are they attracting ilokhungana ama viewers or not, because if ama statistics wabethi hayi yabo iyadlala igame but bambala abantu abayibukayo, so nabo they are losing money for giving those teams ilongani airtime. But ngiyacabanga ukuthi kusese kude phambili because indaba ye-VAR yothi bisuka kuthiwa hayi kugcina sekuthiwa hayi sizoyibona kuphela makudlala iderby makudlala. So what's the point? Yabo, because njengoba uyibona nala eAfrica kwi-Champions League uyibona kuma-knockout stages, uqala uyibona kuma-knockout stages, kuma-group stages ayikho. Why? Because kusuke kusekhona namathimu amancane, so kuma-knockout stages vele sekukhona ama-big guns and then they start introducing i-VAR. So what's the point? Nala soyiletha sogcine kuthiwa hayi ibonakala makudlala i-Chiefs ne-Pirates or i-Pirates ne-Sundowns or i-Chiefs ne-Sundowns, as if ama-decision are unjust anzeka mangabe kudlala lawo mathimu amakhulu kuphela. Phela sikhumbule ukuthi imali lento, i-business lento, yabo, ayenziwa mahala. And yeah, but ilokho nje bengitangisike nami kwelijikayo, mhlawumbe makukhona abanye nabo abafuna ukuphawula ngendaba ye-VAR, bengaphawula. Nangu Maswangayo uhambile mfowethu. Ngibhlungu futhi kodwa ngibuye ngijabule because ukuphawula nje kancane lapho ngibhlungu ngibuye ngijabule, yabo. Maswangayo is a good player but udinga ngathi udinga abantu mhlambe o-coach abazo understand indlela adlala ngayo, yabo, ne-style of play ka coach sizokwazi ukuthi sihambisane nendlela adlala ngayo. Bese ku-toxic between uMaswangayo no coach, and it was not going to work for coach, it was not going to work for uMaswangayo, and it was going to be bad for Lokhungana, the team as a whole. And I'm glad ukuthi uhambile uye Orkant. I hope uzofika adlale kangcono, athole Lokhungana chance, bam-understand, aqhubeke, and I hope ucoach nangapha uzoqhubeka, because I think ucoach usikhombisile last season ukuthi he can do it, winile treble, and then I'm happy. Yeah.
Mfowethu udaba laMaswanganyi We'll recap ntambama. I think we'll go live at 6 maybe up until 9. But uzoyibona isikhathi sakho ozoba right ngaso where we can put you because ziningi izinto. Nami definitely I'm happy for uMaswanganyi. Noma ke nginomuzwa ukuthi uPatrick Tito Maswanganyi uthatha demotion from professional football. Ufana nomuntu oseyodlala ehlathini njengamanje. But again, I stand to be corrected ngoba you can't go away from a team where you are being watched at home by more than 40,000 fans. Almost season yakho yonke, and then you're going for a team in Bahrain. But maybe that team also, because I tried to check the stadium capacity of stadium Sabo, they are playing in a national stadium. I've heard it's between 25,000 and roughly 40 or something. So if maybe Shangama sold out Nasonjenge Pirates, I would say it's okay. But there's a lot that we can learn with Bulento Maswanganyi, and you are putting it very correct to it was not sustainable for a Pirates as a team, between and Coach Owad, because one had to go for the team to move forward. But mfowethu eliba likho mfowethu ngicela ungathatha amalokhunja ngicela ungathatha ama invite since kahle kahle besitesta ulive ukuthi mase singena ntambama sikwazi ukuthi sibe right. Mina nje I'm still at work nogesi bongekho lapha kade ngikhona ngisafuna ukuyogeza kodwa ke mfowethu nangibhovungana esigodini uthi uyahola laphana into ebalekile bhuti ya mfowethu angazi ukuthi ungathina sivala lapha ngobhovungana. I know ukuthi uyahola into ebalekile leyo but mfowethu ilokhunja isport mfowethu noma bekuthiwa mfowethu ungasuka udlala wrestling lapha ku WWE bese yakuthatha iTNA singakuboni but kunikeze 2 times imali WWE bese demotion for me. Angazi ukuthina ukuphola kwakho wena mayaka.
Ngoba angiyazi leya league leyana. I've never done research about the league ayekona. Eyokuhola na kwi-Pirates behola masingazi behola malini. So if kuthi uhola kakhulu lapha which is good for i-career yakhe. Unganga una 28 as an attacking midfielder uyawazi ama-attacking midfielder isheshe iphele i-career yawo, which is also good yabo. Because we can argue and say but akasezukukhona mhlawumbe udlala kubafana bafana. We do not know. Mhlawumbe uzofika adlale regular laphana so much that azabizwe kuyibafana bafana. Ukuthi udlala eBahrain it doesn't mean ukuthi ngeke uze uyithole i-call up kuyibafana bafana, because that's very important ukuthi urepresent i-national team yakho. You cannot represent i-national team kwema ukuthi awudlale regular yabo. If ukuthi uzofika adlale regular lapha lokhu ngani form ikhuphuke naneholo likhuphukile mhlawumbe nane atmosphere izofika ibe right laphana kungabi toxic njoba bese ku toxic ngapha yabo. I think it would be good for him because into mele sibuye seyibheka ama player mfethu they are getting a lot of criticism from fans yabo. And it is tough mangabe ukuthi akasezwani nano coach because uvela bona ukuthi should mina I'm not going to be part of the plan yalo coach mangabe singasezwani naye. Ngizoba a part of the plan kanjani singasezwani uyabo. And leyo nto le iyakubanga ukuthi mentally player limaze yabo. Asifuni ngelinye ilanga sizokuthi uMaswanganyi useyibulele na ngenxa ukuthi i-pressure from ucoach kuyaliwa uyacabanga njalo uma kumele training sohlala no coach into enjengalezo yabo. But if kuukuthi laphana wenza amadola kamnandi right, that's fine. That is fine for ilokhungana for an attacking midfielder because i-career yakhe 30, 32, 33 zobsiyaphela yabo, which is 5 years from now.
Yeah, maya mfowethu ake sibambe la mfowethu kodwa ke sisho ukuthi kuningi sizokhuluma ngakho nesisazokhuluma ngakho. Ngicabanga ukuthi vele Friday, Saturday and Sunday sisuke ngoba ngiyafisa ukuthi ke sibe nje no live. Ngicabanga ukuthi webafana bafana coach because nakhona lapha kunenkinga. Who should take a position yokuba ucoach webafana bafana? Ngiyabona lapha uHellman kuthini ukuphawula kwakho Bhovungane mfowethu na kanjani ngo6 mfowethu sibe khona Bhovungane mfowethu from 6 until 9 ntambama sihlala siba khona siyawa accept ama-invite. Lolu uhlelo lwawo wonke umlaleli nomthandi webhola. Asinabo abantu abadumile, so sikhuluma nje nawo wonke umuntu usuke efuna ukuba ku-conversation. So-ke nakanjani futhi sizodibana. Ngifuna ukuthi la Mayaka ngoba ziningi izinto nalapha kuBafana Bafana ikhona ingqinamba ekhona. Ngoba abanye bathi uMkhelele bekufanele athathe after uLokhunja, after ucoach Hugo Bros. Kuthini ukuphawula ukuzubala Mayaka ngoba leyo position ngicabanga ukuthi safanele ke sihlayele phansi sixoxe nabalandeli bebhola ukuthi kahle uPitso does it deserve ukubuyela kuBafana Bafana. Coach Hugo Bros, was it a right move ukuthi a release? Actually who should take their position coach Bafana Bafana? So lama questions lawo siyafisa ukuthi esihlale phansi abalande ke sixoxe le ndaba.
So ikhuluma ntambama mfowethu ucoach Pitso Coach Pitso last time he will never go back to Bafana Bafana because he was fired by a taxi owner. Konje kwakubani owamxoshayo. He was fired by a taxi owner ngesingayo washo yena. I think isengatholakala ivideo yakhe esho kanjalo. He said he will never go back there. But I think indoda ehlala imphili ilala iphenduka. Umqondo wendoda ehlala imphili uyaguquka. Namhlanje isho lokusasa yenza okunye. Yabo kodwa asasingambambelanga ke phela lawo magama lawo.
Yebo.
Naye wayekhulunyiswa ukufutha kwenhliziyo ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa ukuthi aye kuyiBafana Bafana. I don't know. Upitso mfethu when last did he did well? Wagcina ku-Al Hilal. Yabo. I'm not saying ukuthi ngeke senza kahle kuBafana Bafana. Akufani phela kwa-coach ne-player. Yabo. I-player vele yile siyayisiluwe ngokuthi ligcina ukudlala kahle nini. But winning, it becomes a habit. You know, doing well, it becomes a habit. So if you're no longer doing well, so I don't know about uHelman Mkhelele. uHelman Mkhelele lento eshiwo lo Hugo Bros, angazi noma uHugo Bros umqeqeshile yena uHelman Mkhelele ukuthi ungabalaleli ama-agent uwatshela ukuthi wagibela ayithandayo. The way umbuka ngayo uHelman Mkhelele ngathi indoda ephansi leyana, indoda engalokhu ungane engachaphazeka le ama-agent angayixhaphaza mangathi uyiphethe. Ngabo ungaba ucoach alright uma ngabe ungenayo inkani. Yabo uma ungenayo inkani ngempela because ama-agent nawo azokwenza ngendlela afisa ngayo ukuthi nawo emabhukwini wabo ama-players emabhukwini wabo abe mahle. Because bafuna ukwenzani? Bafuna uku-export ama-player, if be-export ama-player bathola imali phela. Yabo. Mabe dayisa ama-player bathola imali. So i-player mali lokhu udlala, if the player is getting a run kuyiBafana Bafana, player keeps on getting a run kuyiBafana Bafana. And then even ama-club ase-Europe ayaqala uMfukeng uthathwe ngoba ubedlala kuBafana. Ukuba akazange alithola i-chance kuBafana, I doubt ukuthi ngabe wayithola i-chance. Yabo. So ama-team aphesheya mayebona vele udlalela i-national team, yabo, which means you're doing well with team yakho for ukuthi wena uzukhethwe amongst the rest kwi-country. And then bayakubona you're getting kwi-first 11, which means you are good. Yabo. So they can invest kuwena. So ama-agent, that's why uzowabona uzozwa kuthiwa anokufonela ucoach weBafana ethi hey awufake phela umdlalo wami, you must call up umdlalo wami. Abanye bethi hayi mbize nje noma ekhona, yabo. Mayese khona awumnikeze phela i-run. Enze njani ucoach manje ngama-player wabonayo yena ukuthi, yabo. So it depends ukuthi ucoach uyindoda enjani. No disrespect to Helman Mkhelele, but ngokumbuka kwami ngazathi indoda ephansi. Ngathi indoda mhlambe eyayenqena ukuthi no mangimbuka. So nokwesaba ukuthi ngeke nama-agent athi hey indoda ubizela ubani phela mhlambe naye athi okay agcine ifaka enkingeni. Yabo bese kuthiwa yabona uHelman Mkhelele. Kodwa ke ake ngithi iyobonana ntambama mfowethu.
ya idibane ngeyikhathi mfowethu sibonge nangu lapha noBhovungane futhi esigodini uthi Mkhelele uNsiki sibuyele emuva lapho abaqasha umuntu onenkani njengekhehla
Awuthatha uBhovungane kuphela mfowethu.
hayi mfowethu ngeke isikhathi sibi mfowethu asimlindise uBhovungane simcela ukuthi cha ngo6 mfowethu siyoqala ngaye masheshe wangena mfowethu siyoqala ngaye kufanele ngeke uservice
ngenxa yesikhathi kwasho umsakazo eradweni.
Ngenxa yesikhathi mlaleli cha mfowethu zimnandi indaba zihle mfowethu asibonge Mayaka mfowethu mlandeli omkhulu Orlando Pirates sibonge mfowethu ukuthi ube ngcenye yethu mfowethu siyacabanga ukuthi kukhulu esizokwenza going forward siqala khona lapha ke namhlanje ngo6 ntambama mfowethu asibonge kakhulu Mayaka.
Danke Sharp.